Welcome guys to watch Chrissy work, and today I'll be showing you how I apply my makeup. Okay, and this eyebrow, it's a no-no. I'll be using my Mary Kay, and I'll be applying this on my face, and the reason for me doing this is because I want my face to be moisturized. And when I apply my makeup, it is set, it is not crack, it is, it is perfect. And that is why I use that. Hey, wait, what is that on your neck? That look like a icky. I will be using my eyebrow kit, and it is called Best in Brows from ColourPop. And guys, I do have a discount with ColourPop. It is Julian 5. So right here I'm just prepping my eyebrows. This helps to get the eyebrows in tune, so when I lay my concealer and my brush and my pencil over to draw the brows, it is perfect. You understand me? So this is my spoolie brush from ColourPop, like I said before, and I'm now using my eyebrow pencil. This is what I use to draw my eyebrows, guys. A lot of times you guys will see me and you'll wonder why my eyebrow is like this. I always spend time on my eyebrow. That is one thing I always ensure, because you know what, if you are out in the streets or somebody see you as a makeup artist and your brows are not in tune or in line, they're gonna wonder what kind of makeup artist is this. So yeah, now guys, this is the big deal, the big thing. This is my concealer brush, and this is what I'm going to be using on my eyebrows to get it perfect. What you see here is also concealers. You have a dark shade and a light shade. Just so you guys know how I do my makeup or my eyebrows, I put the darker shade at top and the lighter shade below. So here we go. Now I have to say this to you guys. What I'm doing right here is putting the lighter shade below, but also I have to be careful because I don't want it to go over into the brows. I don't want it to, not stay in line. It has to be what you call precise. And the reason for this is because, like I said, you want to have that prestige look. You want to have that come and look at my eyebrows look. You want to have that look where, wow, look at Chrissy eyebrows. I mean, watch Chrissy work. I mean, Hubby teach me, right? Guys, make sure to blend every time, whether you apply foundation, makeup, concealer. Blending is key. A proper blend makeup, one can tell the difference, even the blind. Now guys, this is the perfect look. Now guys, a lot of people keep asking me, Chrissy, what do you use to cut your crease and have your cut crease look so well guys, Tarte Shape Tape. That is a concealer that I put on my lid to help cut my crease. And how this works is, guys, it provides precision. You understand me? And if you want that precise look when your crease is cut, then do it the way I do it. Now guys, this palette that I'll be using is for my eyeshadow is a ColourPop palette, and I talk to you guys about having a discount code. So if you guys want dollars off, use discount code Julian 5. Now this is where I get to pretty up my face. This is where I get to add the different colors on my eyes and whatever pop. And normally what I'll do is, if I'm going out, most time what I'll be wearing will reflect what is on my eyes, And remember I told you guys earlier about blending. Well, this is the motion. This is what you have to do. You can't just put the shade or the color that you want in your eyes or in the crease of your eyes and then just leave it. You have to circular motion. You have to blend. It's like you guys, doing some. Anyways, yes. Yeah, so blend, and at the end of the day you'll see the finished look with the colors. Back at it again with my Tarte Shape Tape. I could have make a rhythm in a song with it. Remember, I always talk about the precision cuts, the precise look. Well, the Tarte Shape Tape allows that. You understand me? And when I say precise. It's because you want, when you take a picture and the cameraman decide to zoom, there is no flaws. Guys, the key concept is blending. Remember, I keep saying that from the starting of this video. Well, here it is again. You have to blend. You have to make sure the makeup doesn't just sit one place. It has to be flush and smooth and just look, flourish. Guys, as you can see right now, I'm just applying the shimmer goldish look from the palette called Good Sport from ColourPop. And guys, you know, shimmer is always good because that gives you that shimmerish lookish, you see me? And remember guys, shimmer is always good for the lid. So right now I'm gonna be using my LA Pro concealer, LA Girl Pro concealer, that is, and that is for the cleaning up. Like, you know, if there's a spillover from the shimmer, or you know, I want to sharpen something, you know, that concealer is gonna do that right now. NYX matte liquid liner. Now guys, this is one of my favorite liners to use because it is matte, it is liquid, and it is it's easy for me to draw, you know. So whenever you see me with that wing or that perfect line looking, you know, it's from NYX, and it is a matte liquid liner, guys. And also guys, you always hear me talk about precise and precision. When you have a wing liner with just a tip or a little pencil to draw from with the liquid, your drawing is going to be more precise. So if you make any mistake, the people will see it. Now guys, it's time to apply your foundation, and this is something easy but not so easy, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm using the Derma blend. If you want to know the shade or any product used or any makeup using this tutorial, it will be in the description. You understand me guys? So don't really take Hubby voice over for everything accurate. However, when applying my foundation, I like to use Derma blend because it gives me a full coverage. You understand me? And it also helps with my skin tone. So this is setting spray that I spray on the brush to keep the brush moist, dampens it because the brush was dry. And most people will try to dampen with water, but you don't want to mix the water with the makeup. Use a setting spray because eventually I'm gonna spray setting spray on my face, so might as well put it in the brush. And you know, I always tell you guys, blend. So you blend the foundation and it gives you an even tone, and make sure your foundation is your skin tone or else. Now I'm going to apply my concealer, and I'm using the Tarte Shade Tape, and I give you guys the Arawak. I call this look the Arawak look, the way I put the not the foundation but the concealer under my eyes and my nose, on top of my lip, on my chin, and that just reminds me of the Arawak look. So yeah man, the Arawak look is it. And I can't stress this no more guys, you have to blend. You apply foundation, you blend. You apply concealer, you blend. Blending is key. Now guys, this is what make makeup. I'm going to be using a darker shade concealer, and for this I put it at my jawbone. You see where I put it? It's for contouring, and that slim down the face, that give your face more of a straight look. So if you have one broad face, just contour it down. If you have a broad nose or tongue, you contour it down. Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. Now guys, this is a setting powder that I use to set my makeup. Reason for this, guys, you don't want your makeup to crack. You don't want when you're in the middle of the street or in a meeting or anywhere at all and you can see that your makeup is not fully makeup. Now this is a MAC powder that we're going to use to set the contour. You know, earlier on I used the cream, so now the powder helps to set it. When I say set, I mean set in place. Alright, so I'll be using my NYX Jumbo Black Pencil under the waterline of my eyes. Yes guys, it's in a white, what you call that now? Bottle or I don't know, but it is black. Yeah. Now I'm using the Good Sport palette and I'm getting some colors under my eyes and I'm trying to achieve that smoky look, you know, that smoky eye look. So that's what I'm gonna be putting under my eyes. These are some of the finishing touch when doing makeup. Maybelline Fit Me blush. You have to have that blush look. Now I'll be applying my L'Oreal Voluminous base under my eyes and also my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Talking about mascara, hope you guys check out the launching of Watch Crease Work eyelashes. Now it's time to apply the lashes, guys, and a lot of people ask me how I do it and how I get it on so fast, but before I even get into that, I just want to say these lashes are by Kels, lashes by Kels. I like them and you see I'm using it now, so obviously I do like it. Also guys, what you need to know is when I apply my lashes, I do not put them on my original eyelash. I put glue on glue and also I put it a little bit above my lashes, which is my skin. Yes guys, and I'm applying bottom lashes now and I love doing it. Not only that it brings off my eyes, it also gives me that that cloudy I don't know how to explain it, but I just love bottom lashes, guys. Now I am applying the setting spray and this helps to set my makeup. Like I said guys, it prevents it from crack. Also I will be doing using, that is, the ColourPop highlighter. And my highlighters, I like to use highlighter because it helps to bring off that spark when you're taking a picture, or you know, it highlights certain features on your face, and that's the reason for me using my highlighter. Show them your icky there. If you not have none of bay. So it is time to get my lipstick on, but I am prepping for that. At this point I will be using my eyebrow pencil and I will use that to make the outer line of my lips. I will draw the line around my lips. That's before I apply my lipstick. And the lipstick, and guys, the lipstick that I'll be using today is from ColourPop. If you realize, most of my products are from ColourPop and the discount code is Julian5. Guys, that's a no-no. It's time for me to put on my wig, and this wig that I'll be showing you guys, it's a custom made wig, and as you can see, with a center part. For all custom made wigs, guys, you can reach out to me at Watch Chrissy Work on Instagram, DM me, Watch Chrissy Work on Facebook, message me, or you could email us, or just reach out, you know, because I got the bomb diggity here. But look at me though, I'm so fly. I mean, this look is beautiful. You know what though, guys, also this video should have been out since last year. I actually did this video last year. I came across it and I was like, no, I have to finish it and let you guys see how beautiful I am. Thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you tell a friend. And also, while doing that, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. Watch Chrissy Work. I'm out.